Yes, sir.
Read the question. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, 18th question of exercise 9.2. Sir, if the numbers n minus 2, 4n minus 1, and 5n plus 2 are in AP,
Minus 2
5n plus
and
5n plus 2, 5n plus 2
hmm.
are in AP, find the value of n.
Okay. So for this, in your notes, write this. If ABC are in AP, if ABC are the three terms of an AP, what is the meaning of this statement? What will be the common difference?
Sir, B minus A
Or
equals to C minus B.
means B minus A equals to C minus B. And if you transfer two B's to the same side and the remaining to the other side, it is giving 2B equals to A plus C. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Or we can say twice the mean equals to sum of
Sum of extremes.
in an AP. Okay. So if three terms are in AP, mean is 4n minus 1. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
ABC are in AP means twice the mean equals sum of extremes. That is 2 into mean is 4n minus 1 equals to sum of extremes n minus 2 plus 5n plus 2. Opening the bracket, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 n plus 5n 6n 2 to cancelled out. Transfer both the terms with n to the same side. 2n equals to 2, n equals to 1. Okay. So this is the answer. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And check the answer for n equals to 1. We will get 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. 4n minus 1 is 3. 5n plus 2. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. Are they in AP? Check them. 3 plus 1, 4 is the common difference. 7 minus 3, 4 is the common difference. Yes, they are in AP. So write this head in your notes. Write this theory in your notes. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt?
Find the 20th term from the last term of an AP.
And the
20th term
20th term
from the last term of the AP.
from the last. Okay. 20th
Yes,
term from the end, it means. Na? In an AP,
yes, sir.
what is the AP?
3, 8, 13 till 253.
Till
253.
263 is the last term. Okay.
The 53. 253.
So we have to find 20th term from the end. Okay. For this AP, find the common difference. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Okay. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Common difference 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So if AP is written in reversed order, can you tell the common difference then?
The 5 only.
No. When it is written in reversed order, so what will be the first term?
Minus 5.
253.
If 253 is the first term, then then what will be the next term?
The 257.
Why?
248.
This is an increasing AP, you can see. What is the term previous to 8? Is it 13?
No, sir. 3.
3. How?
The common, we have subtracted common difference.
Or we have to take common difference as -5. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If AP1 is written in reversed order as AP2, the common difference will become -5. That is, what will be the AP then? First term will be 253. Next,
248.
next,
243.
we have to add -5 to all terms. So first term of this new AP is 253. Common difference we already have written -5. And we have to find the 20th term of this AP2. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
20th term of AP2. Why? As it will be equal to the 20th term from the end
And
in
AP1.
AP. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula for nth term of an AP?
AN equals to A plus N minus 1D.
A means first term is 253 plus N is 20 minus 1 into common differences -5. So 253 plus 19 into -5. 253 minus 95. So it is 158. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Understood everyone how to find the 20th? So let's now discuss the second method, how to find the 20th term of an AP from the end. First write the given AP, it is 3, 8, 13 and so on up to last term is 253. First find the number of terms. What will be the number of terms? If assume that what?
Number of terms Bn.
Number of terms B and then what? It means nth term.
Then
Nth term. The number.
A plus N minus 1 into D.
What will be the nth term if?
253.
Yes. 253. That is, we denoted by an. And what is the formula for an? A plus
A plus N minus 1 into D.
equals to 253, where first term A is 3. Okay.
3.
Difference D is 8 minus 3 equals to 5. So when we substitute these values, 3 plus N is unknown, D is 5 equals to 253. It implies transfer this 3 to the right hand side. N minus 1 into 5 equals to 253 minus 3. N minus 1 into 5 equals to 250. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Doubt? N minus 1 equals to, both sides are divided by 5, so it becomes 250 by 5. That is, N minus 1 equals to 50. It implies N equals to 51. Means series has, or sequence has, or the progression has, or we can directly write AP has how many terms?
51 terms.
51 terms.
Therefore, 20th term from the end is equal to what? Total number of terms are
31st term from beginning.
51. Total number of terms are the total number of
31.
terms
T1.
minus 20 plus 1. Do you know why plus 1? Can you tell why we have added this 1? Do you know? If we have to find the 20th term from the end. So total number of terms minus 20 plus 1 means which term?
The 32nd term.
That's true. Have you understood why?
Yes, sir.
That is A32. So it is A plus 32 minus 1 into D. Now the value of A is 253. Sorry, it's not 253. What is the value of A? This
Sir, 3.
3 plus 32 minus 1, 31 into. Common difference is 8 minus 3, 5. So it is 3 plus 155, that is 158 is the answer. Is that clear to you? This is the same as the previous answer. Okay, so there are two methods. First, write the series in reversed order, then find its 20th term directly, or if you have to find the 20th, find the number of terms first, then n minus 20 plus 1, that is 51 minus 20 plus 1, that is 32nd term will be the 20th term from the end. 32nd term from the beginning. It is 32nd term from the beginning and 20th term from the end when the number of terms be 51. Is that clear to you? If the first term of an AP, read the question.
If the first term of an AP is minus 18
Yes,
and its
first term of an
10th
AP is minus 18, then
and its 10th term is 0, then find its common difference.
okay, read the question again now.
If the first term of an AP is minus 18,
Wait now. Now tell me, how will you represent the first term of an AP?
A is equals to minus 18.
So you have used this information. Read the next line.
And its 10th term is 0.
Means
A10 is equals to 0.
how is A10 represented?
The n minus A10 is equals to A plus 9D.
What is the value of A?
A is equals to minus 18.
Minus 18 plus
9D
equals to 0. It implies what?
the 9D is equals to 18.
It implies
D is equals to 2.
18 by 9 equals to 2, which is the answer. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now read the question further. After this line, what is written?
The common difference निकालना है, then find its
So
common
what is the
difference.
problem? We have already calculated this. So why you are asking this if you know how to solve this? Common difference निकालना है. तुम्हें पहले से नहीं दिख रहा था कि common difference निकालना है और क्या पूछना है? This we have already discussed. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Doubt in AP to anyone?
Which term of an AP?
Tell again.
Which term of an AP? 53, 48, 43,
53, 48,
48,
43
43 is the first negative term.
So let's assume that nth term be the what we have to find.
The first negative term.
So let's assume that nth term be the first negative term. Negative means what? Negative.
The nth term is less than 0.
And what is the formula for nth term?
A plus n minus 1b.
You don't know the formula, you are only reading. Value of A,
The 53.
D,
48 minus 53. Minus 5.
it implies in place of a 53 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 5 is less than 0. Open the bracket. 53 minus 5n plus 5 is less than 0. It implies 53 plus 5. 58 is less than 5n. It implies 5n is greater than 58. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
N is greater than 58 by 5. N is greater than 11 whole 3 by 5. It implies n equals to 12. This 12th term is the first negative term. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? So solve the whole exercise and ask your doubts in next time. Okay, everyone? Is
Yes, sir.
there doubt?